Hey, welcome back to another video. Um, so Snow already seen the kittens twice already. Um, he doesn't like them. He is right there. Um, and the kittens are so cute. They're my brother's cats. Um, they're siblings. They just had surgery done a couple days ago. Um, so I'll be taking care of them. So I know Snow doesn't like them. So this is what I'm going to do. So I don't know if you guys know about this. It works for most cats. Um, it's a aluminum foil. So what you do, I'm going to show you guys, is pretty easy. So the reason why aluminum foil or tin foil works is because cats don't like the feel of it. They don't like the noise of it. So it's kind of like a barrier. So there's Snow. So I'm going to put it like a barrier here on my floor. Then I'm going to put one over there to kind of give the kittens the space that to kind of separate them so they are not interacting 100% with each other. So like they are right now. So, but this is one way to kind of keep the peace in your house. So we're going to need so this is what you do. You just kind of try to keep it in somewhat a straight line. You can unflatten it out. It just needs like these grooves here. So that's what I'm doing right now. You just kind of crinkle it. Try to keep it straight as possible. It is an awesome thing to do when you got cats that don't like each other. So, right now, Snow hates the noise. I don't really mind. Yeah, they're kittens. So, you rip it, crinkle this side a little bit, and you straighten it out the best you can. I got a little too much, but that's always great. So, kind of keep it on the floor the best you can. If you got tape or anything, you're taping in the floor, that'll probably be better. I don't have any of that fun stuff. So, and this mostly works with most cats. There's some cats out there who don't mind it at all, but at the same time, a lot of cats don't like it. Like, there's probably like 1% out of all cats that don't really like this, and that's a lot of cats. So now I'm going to do this side. So. Okay, babies. Yeah, they're coming out soon. Trust me. And you just lay it down, kind of like so. You throw that over there to hold that side down. And there you go. You got a cat barrier. Yes. So their place is not done all the way yet, but it's work in progress right now. So the cat's already been introduced, like I said. So there's no need to, but like I said, Snow hates them. I don't know why, but they're kittens, obviously. See? So whoop, whoop. Okay, one at a time. I'm sorry, I'm touching your wound. I'm sorry. Oh, and the other thing that I keep forgetting to tell you guys, so all these cats that I'm babysitting had declawed. They just pretty much dig into the paw, take out the claw itself, so it doesn't keep growing. So that's how they do it. I don't like doing it because, like for Snow, he's an outside cat, so I would like cats to have their front and their back because it's a defense for them. You know, besides biting, their claws are their main attack / defense tool. But there are places out there that, like for my mom, she lives in an apartment complex, and they want cats to be front declawed. So since I'm babysitting them, my mom bought this. It's a little tub at Dollar Tree, so it's pretty cheap. This is their litter. The vet gives you this. It's pretty much recycled paper into like little chunks. It's kind of helps them. It's not rough on their paws, so when they get the declawed, hard litter will hurt them more than normal. So this is what it looks like inside. This bunch of trunks. I will put it in here. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty much like a stick. And this is what they go to the bathroom with. So it's soft for them. So I'm going to put this. Excuse me. Here's your litter box. Yeah. So their litter box is there. The bed's gonna go there. Food and water type stuff is gonna go over here. And they are pretty much set. So for now, I am going to get them settled in, and then I will make a video. I forgot to the last time I did Penny. Was the last cat here. I forgot to show you guys how to do the shots with the through the mouth hatch. But I will show you guys in like a day or two. But for now, I'm gonna. This is their shots. Pretty easy. And this is for onion. I think they said. Yeah. So with these cats, they were found with fleas, and then they also got tapeworm or something like that. So Snow, sadly, has been introduced to them before they found out, so he could have it. Not for sure yet. The only way to tell is when you look at his poop. By the way, I'm sorry, in my last video, I didn't realize that I had a huge burger through my nose, but it was cold. I live in Minnesota, pretty cold outside. But yeah, please help me grow this channel. Like I said, I got plenty of other things I want to do than cats. Don't get me wrong, I love cats. I love what they do. I got other things too that I do than cats. So help me grow this channel. Please subscribe to me and just like this video. Just show me your love. Comment if you want. But in a couple of weeks, the channel is going to have a twist for the fun. So, this is Axel signing off. Have a great rest of your day, and see you in the next video. Bye.